The double tracking is nothing but a mode of conveyance for the transportation of coal through Goa. Lies after lies have been uttered by successive government officials that it is for the transportation of humans. But it is not so. Our heritage houses and others which were newly built along the tracks are being systematically being destroyed. Our health is at stake. We have senior citizens all along the route, and we do not understand what is this government here, up to. The matter is sub judice. There are petitions being filed in the High Court. The CEC also gave through the CEC's order, the report, the Supreme Court has also given a verdict in favor of the environmentalists.
हे जे पळय चल्लें आसा, रेल्वे आयज कोणाची परमिशन नासतना WRD जावं, फॉरेस्ट जावं, पंचायत जावं, TCP जावं, कोणाचीच परमिशन नासतना जाय तो हें कितें बांदता. जरी बारीक समाजाक, बारीक मनशाक एक घर बांदपाक जाय ताका कितलीशीच परमिशन घेवचें पडटा, पूण रेल्वेक लागना. सो आयज हे स्टेटाची ही फकाणां जालेली आसा. एक लॉ आनी ऑर्डर म्हणल्यार ह्या स्टेटान ना.